Okay, friends, Mrs. Pratt said she was going to pop on here and read you our story for this week. It's Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Looks like a good story. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank, so the lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit-pop, the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. It's got a nice little fire going there. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. I think that might wake me up. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." So now we have a mouse, the hare, and a badger. Wonder who comes next. And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. They're dancing and have a good old time, aren't they? Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, what's he gonna do? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. I think I'd be out of there. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none." He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Aw, he wasn't mad that they woke him up. He was sad because he missed out on all the fun. But the mouse was nice enough to stay. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight when he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. So that was Bear Snores On. Now in the back of the book, we have a story called Animal Homes. Mrs. Pratt will read that to you next time. Bye, friends.